Deepti, let me come to you. Did Virat Kohli today look like a man on mission to you?
He looked like a man who wanted to do what he does the best. So when he doesn't perform, that is a surprise. When he performs, that it feels like it's his nature. It's how he behaves. So that doesn't come as a surprise. And seeing him bat the way he did fearlessly alongside young cricketers, and the way he kept on supporting them, that was something that he wanted to score runs. He was hunger for that, but he took the singles, he took the doubles, he let those players play. So that is something that it has changed when we compare to past. So, but I like the new Kohli that he is today. He is aggressive, he is mature, and he knows what he's doing, and everything, it's like a package. So when he adds those extra runs that is scoring, that just fills fans' heart, and it's a very good sight to watch as a fan.
Amrit, would you like to add to what Deepti has just said about the new Kohli and how he's mentoring the youngsters in the team?
Well, I don't think we saw a new Kohli. We saw the usual Kohli, who's an exceptionally talented player, who's the best player in the world. And it shows one more innings where it shows maturity, it shows experience, it shows match awareness, it shows he knows exactly when to change gears. And today was one more of his controlled innings which led India to a victory. He's known to be a chase master. And this was one more quality performance from a top player.
Prakash, at the end of the match, during the conference, Kohli said that he was taking tips from the team management because the team management had a talk with him. His family is there, so he's been speaking to his wife. And he also named a certain AB de Villiers who asked him to just go out and see the ball. Do you think, this relationship with AB de Villiers is also adding on another dimension to his, him being the batsman that he is? To his evolution, I would say.
Well, he said that very openly, hasn't he, Rika? In the sense, he's often talked about how AB has inspired him, how he's learned from de Villiers. And de Villiers says the same about Virat. So it looks to me like a very symbiotic relationship where the two of them are gaining from each other, benefiting from each other, attitudinally, technique-wise, from what goes on, in the mind and so on and so forth. So I think when Virat talks about AB de Villiers and speaking to him, it often comes back to those simple basics. And it's heartening to see that howsoever great a cricketer or a sports person you become, you do need to sometimes just jog back and go back to the basics and build from there, because the innate talent and competence and capability is always there. So I'm not at all surprised. I also would like to add that, I'm sensing a greater degree of transparency of emotion and words in this new dispensation in recent times. Ravi Shastri's talked about how he spoke to Rishabh Pant during that period when he was not doing so well.
Right.
We are seeing comments coming out quite openly, and that can only foster, I think, a greater teamsmanship within the team and a greater bonding, and that is becoming increasingly visible.